Let's do a quick demo of the iPhone application for Intuit Field Service Management. Start simply enough. My work screen, emergency appointments, waiting for pickup, completed today, and so on. We'll go ahead and look at those work orders waiting for pickup. You've got a simple list here with customer and the description below it, a lot like email if you use an iPhone already. Let's go ahead and grab one of these. Here, this one for Tahil Galleries. Goes to the server and gets it. It's now resident on the phone, so if I'm a service tech, I go ahead and pick that up, take responsibility for it, and I can look through the details here. It's urgent, should take about a half hour. I can see that drive to address. I can click through to see service history, see what I'm supposed to do when I get out there, any notes, etc. Now when I'm ready to head out, I go ahead and mark that en route, confirm it, and begin tracking time against that work order automatically. Let's fast forward through the drive now. I get out to the customer site, go ahead and start it. All very simple so far. Hang that phone back on my belt and do what I get paid for. Now somewhere along the line I may want to add a note. I can do that here. I can either add a voice note or a picture note, either from the camera or from the picture galleries. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that for now. Not necessary to see. And when I'm done, I will complete it out. When I complete it out, I'm going to just put some kind of notes in there. I'm going to say this was a tough job or whatever it was. I'll select any equipment that I worked on, and if you're so configured, I can also collect repair codes and categories. Go ahead and mark complete, and we'll go ahead then and write up an invoice. Invoice status is not prepared. I've got some instructions on there. This is a PM that's fixed price, so pretty straightforward. I could add a line item if need be. So for example, I might add a service here and search. Bring up my matches. Let me put a trip charge on there just for laughs. And you can see I can adjust quantity, tax code, etc. Okay, so now it's totaled up that invoice for me at $161. I can have the customer sign off on it. Show it to the customer. Hey, Mr. Customer, here's your invoice. If it's okay, they click accept. Go ahead and put that name on there. Go ahead and mark that done. That's now attached to the work order. And finally, I can go ahead and pay that invoice. So just like you can do with any of the other mobile clients for Intuit Field Service, you can take a payment on the iPhone either by cash, check, or credit card. We support credit cards through QuickBooks Merchant Services. The slight difference with the iPhone is, of course, that you need to key in the credit card number. So for example, if I hit credit card, MasterCard here, it's going to prompt me for a card number. Now, I guess between you and me, the last thing I want to do is put my credit card number on the web. So let's take a check. From who? Jose. And what I said, didn't want to put my credit card on the web, I meant in a movie, right? Check number 925. Go ahead and mark charge. That attaches the payment to that invoice. That will sync up with QuickBooks, and you can email it out to the customer. Once you've done that, you're off and running. You go pick up your next work order from your waiting on pickup list. Maybe we'll go out and run to the OSC. And that's it. iPhone.